One common problem that may occur during 3D printing is when the base of the model bulges outward a bit, causing a bottom melting effect, or more commonly referred to as elephant foot. Let me create something to demonstrate that. I'll use a simple cube. I'll hit apply and I'll switch to a build brush. I'll hit the S key to turn symmetry on. I'll choose the X axis and the Z axis. And with the build brush, I'm going to go to the E panel and choose the line draw mode. I'll zoom in and click this grid icon to hide the grid temporarily. So I'll click one end and the other, and click a third time. That's it. If I were to export this cube out before I created this effect, then this is essentially what you would see. It can be caused by friction created when the print nozzle rubs against the bed, or the weight of the rest of the print presses down on the first layers before the lower layers have time to cool into a solid. Let me undo a few times, and I will turn symmetry off. I'm going to actually clear this object, go back to the primitives tool, and I will change my size this time. I'll make it 20 millimeters by 10 by 20. Now I need to hit apply. Let's go to File menu, Export for 3D Printing. Now I want to draw your attention to this section of the export dialog. We want to uncheck Remove Bottom Melting. I'm going to hit OK. And I'll do it again. This time we will check Remove Bottom Melting, and I will change the dimensions for this particular Malian printer to 0.55 and 10 for the amount of melted layers. Okay. Now we're ready to start printing. For the sake of time, we're printing these two together side by side. And here we have our printed result. The model on the left did not have the preventive option enabled, while the other one did. The second example is visually straight thanks to the corrective export option. And with that, we will conclude this demonstration. Happy modeling and 3DC printing.